The key benefit to rocking beadlock wheels is being able to air down your tires to a very low tire pressure and not lose your bead when you're compressing your tires. Prior to getting these Rocktrix beadlocks, I was rocking Steelies, which I thought was a really good look, and they were narrow, but I was damaging them from wheeling so hard. With some simple tools and a little muscle, you can install beadlocks at home yourself. This is my wheel with the most damage. You can see my tires are chewed up. At one point there was a rock sitting in this bead and I couldn't get out, and it was just shaving the inside of my ring. Punch here. Yeah, you can see this whole section. I'm missing chunks out of my tire, but I didn't have to change my tires once.
Good. You're good. Beautiful.